Gage way back the rope and racing out in front. Is taken by Tensile Strength. Here comes Pani Darn on the outside and Hari ng Yambo. Passing the winning post. Tensile Strength southbound. Moving up on the outside. Hari ng Yambo. Then followed by entry number 7. And that's Roadmaster. Going along for the first turn. Tensile Strength leading by half length. Followed by Hari ng Yambo. 3 lengths back. Pani Dar. Here comes entry number 4, Security Prince. Into the back they travel. Tensile Strength leading by half length. Hari ng Yambo in second. 3 lengths back. Pani Dar moving up by Royal Security Prince. Long way back. Is own Minstrel moving up, is southbound. And inside the last 600, Tensile Strength, Hari ng Yambo fighting it out for the leader. Hari ng Yambo on the outside, running by the wheel, Tensile Strength. Tensile Strength running by the wheel, Hari ng Yambo on the outside as they swing for home. Tensile Strength, Hari ng Yambo on the outside, Hari ng Yambo, Tensile Strength. Tensile Strength still leading the pack. Hari ng Yambo on the outside. Hari ng Yambo and Tensile Strength. Tensile Strength, Hari ng Yambo. Hari ng Yambo and Tensile Strength. But still, Hari ng Yambo, Tensile Strength. Southbound, close Pani Dar. And 5 in this favorite.
Sino yung pang-apat?
5.
5, no?
Bali lalabas 6-1-2.